Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your phone number is banned on Telegram, it usually means that Telegram has identified your number as associated with activities that violate the terms of service. So today we are here with some steps you can try to resolve the issue and regain the access. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then simply scroll down and tap on the VPN. So you can use a VPN to change your IP address and potentially bypass any IP-based restrictions that may be affecting your ability to use the service. Simply go to the General in iPhone settings or simply search for the VPN and device management in the search address bar, and you can install any VPN and connect to any VPN to check your IP address. So after doing this, simply go back to the settings again and tap on the general and scroll down till you find the option transfer or reset iPhone. So sometimes a reset can fix any temporary glitches or network settings as well. Simply tap on the reset network settings or reset all settings. And after you do that, simply go back to the general and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. And from the iPhone storage, look for the Telegram app from the listed apps below there. Search for the Telegram app and simply upload the app and reinstall it again. So by following these steps, you should be able to address and potentially resolve the issue of a banned phone number on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.